This is number 6, but you'll be able to use this same setup, and I'll even show you how to, it's not required in this problem, but I'll show you how to calculate the critical value. So you'll know how to do that for 4, 5, and then this problem. So this problem's like 4, 5, 7, and 8. Okay, this is number 6 in the online. It says something about homicides occurring uniformly in the months. So what does uniformly mean? Because they only give us one chart here. And you click on this, it's just the same. It's just the one chart. So what does uniformly mean? Uniformly means that these months should all be the same. Okay, obviously we see there's a little fluctuation here between them, but is that enough of a fluctuation, enough of a difference to say that we're not uniform? Okay, well anyways, we'll go through the steps here. So HA, the distribution of the number of homicide crimes by month, is uniform, so they're equal. And HA then, it's not uniform. We have some differences. That's what HA is. I think, if I just read through it, level to test the claim that homicides in the city are uniformly distributed. So the claim is with the null. Okay, and they jump, for this one, they jump right into this test statistic. But if we were to get a critical value here, I'll just show you how to do that quick because you'll need that for the other problems. It's math, numeric solver, chi squared. If you don't remember how to do that, you go into vars, number 8. We just do 0x, and then there's 12 months, so subtract 1 for degrees of freedom. And level of significance 0.05. We're doing 1 minus our alpha. All right, and then solve that. Again, this problem doesn't ask for this, but if you have a different problem that does, that's how you do it. All right, anyway, so I have the values here in A, but they only give us the 1. They don't give us this second one here. So how do we get that? So here's how I did it. I ran 1 var stats on L1. Okay, I don't have a frequency list, and calculate. There we go. So if these numbers are uniform, then I should get this number for each month. So this is our expected value. This is the average per month. Okay, so I'm going to go back into stats, edit, and then how can I just grab that number? It's vars 5, 2. So if I do this quick enough, vars 5, 2, I can get them all in. Vars 5, 2. Vars 5, 2. Hopefully you fast forwarded it. If not, I bet this is really boring for you to listen to. Whoops. And there we go. I made my first mistake. Let's try that again. Vars 5, 2. Vars 5, 2. I was trying to think of something witty and funny to say if you hadn't fast forwarded it yet. But I couldn't. All right, just 2 more. This is tedious. Done. Okay, so this is my observed, this is my expected. Hopefully from the notes you realize that these can't have decimals, these can. Okay, I'm gonna quit out of that, and now we're doing a chi goodness of fit test, GOF, hit enter, L1, L2, I have 11 degrees of freedom. Go down to calculate, hit enter, and there we go. There's my chi squared, which I've already put in, 10.237. It asked me for my p-value, 0.509, so I could just move this over. There we go. Okay, we failed to reject, and since the null hypothesis, we're going to have rejection in here somewhere. There is insufficient evidence to warrant rejection of the claim that homicides in a city are uniformly distributed. Okay, and then this is one of the only ones that has another follow-up. So wait, what are you trying to say here? Based on the results, it does not appear that homicides occur more often in certain months because our chi wasn't big enough, our p wasn't low enough. Okay. Hope that helps.